In this video, we are going to be checking out our preferences and changing our drawing units. So we've got Fusion open here, and we're going to go over to the top right corner over here. So we've got various options, and we're going to go to the very last one, which is your name. So we're going to right click on that. We're going to go to preferences, and we are going to be overwhelmed with a ton of different options. But for this video, we are just checking out our units. So as you guys can see, we've got this option that says unit and value display. This is where you can change all your units, decimals, and all that fun stuff. I'm going to leave all mine as it is because I'm happy with this. If there is something that you would like different, whereas so if you're using inches or something, you can go ahead and make more decimal spaces if that is going to work out for you. But I'm using millimeter and I'm pretty happy with all of my settings here. Then we're going to go over to default units and we're going to click on this option design. So this is our design space. I'm currently working in millimeters, but if you want to change to something else, you are more than welcome to do so. I would just like to mention that when you do change something, that it's not going to be changed in your immediate drawing. Only when you open up a new drawing is it going to be changed. So if you guys have a look to the left of my screen here where it says the browser, and under my document settings, it shows there the unit is in millimeter. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change us to inches. I'm going to say apply and OK. As you guys can see, my drawing didn't change at all. But if I go ahead and open up a new design, I go to the document settings, it will show that the unit is in inches. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to millimeters, say apply and say OK. If for whatever reason you would like to change your current drawing, say now you've worked a little bit and whatever the case is, and you would like to now change your current drawing to inches, you can go ahead to your document settings over here. You can go to where it says units millimeter, and then we've got this little notepad with a pencil, and we're going to click on that. So it says change active units. We're going to click on that, and we're going to be able to change the active units of this drawing. So let's go ahead and let's click inches. We're going to say OK, and our drawing has now changed from millimeters to inches. And that is it for this video on how to change your units in your preferences. I hope that this video helped you. If it did, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not yet done so, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Good luck on your Fusion 360 journey.